I have never been in a village, so I was grew up in city. So, what do you think that is city life good or a village life good? What is your perspectives?
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am doing well.
What do you think that is city life good or a village life good? What is your perspectives?
Well, I live city life. I am living at now city life, and city life is good, better than village life. Although village life is different from city life because village life is quiet and peaceful. So there are people who are peaceful and staying quiet together. So, but I thought that city life is good for your for getting enjoyment, educations, job, anything. That's why I chose city life. Is so. What is your thought about city life or village life?
Well, I have never been in a village, so I was grew up in city. So I don't know about what village life looks like. But if I visited in my village sometimes, and I enjoyed that environment a lot. But I think that as I grew up in city, so I always got the best services, the hospital, education, and all, everything is best. But I think, see, as you said, that see, village life is also good because the environment is very good. It is fresh. Also, you can get the things fresh there. Everything is fresh, and also where city life, people doesn't connect with each other. But in village life, people connect with each other a lot. They are like too much friendly with each other. So I think this is the thing that I like most about village life. So what do you think that have you ever been in a village life? Have you ever lived the life?
Yes, I've always stay in village life because I was born in village life, and uh, the village is also already I told that the village is so quiet and peaceful. There are less development in there because there are no facilities like our village city life, because there are no internet facilities, there are no different types of facilities you can't get. But gradually village life is developed. And so, what is your thought, and what do you think about village life or city life?
Actually, as you said that village life is not that improved, but I think village life is not that improved technologically, but
Yes.
I think village life is improved by their heart. Like, you know, uh, in village life you can get the fresh things, and also um, in village you can get the moral educations more, where it just and as example, just think that if someone is lost in a village, anyone in the road or anyone you can see on the road, if you ask for help, they will help you no matter what. If they doesn't know you, it doesn't matter. If you are new, then they will try their best to help you, where in city life I think this is rare to see. So that's why I don't think that city life is better in that case. I think you wanted to say that in village life people stay together. They are like a what can I say, joint family.
Yes,
Most
yes,
of the
joint.
families, they are joined, but in city life it is rare to see. People like to live alone in a
Yes,
small
yes,
family,
yes.
just the mom, dad, and the babies.
And
But
there are
in
there are no relatives persons,
yeah,
and children grew up alonely. No relatives there. No. They cannot get relatives adore.
actually growing up with grandparents and other relatives is so beneficial, as you can have the love, and you can also get the, what can I say, the lesson of being together. This is
Yes,
the
yes.
best lesson. So I think
Yes.
this is the best thing that we can learn from the joint family, and it is we can see it in a village life a lot.